If you want to learn how to download and install SketchUp in 2026, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step. And just to be clear, SketchUp has two main options, so the right method depends on whether you want the free web-based version or the full desktop version. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get started with SketchUp the right way. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about SketchUp Free. This is the browser-based version, which means there is no download and no installation required. If you just want to test SketchUp or start modeling quickly without installing software on your computer, this is the easiest option. To begin, open your browser and go to the official SketchUp website. Once you're there, look for SketchUp Free and select it. After that, click Start Modeling. You'll then be asked to log in with your Trimble ID, or you can choose to sign in with Google or Apple if that option is available to you. Once you're signed in, SketchUp may show you the terms of service. Take a moment to accept those terms, and then the modeling interface will load automatically in your browser. That means you're ready to start using SketchUp right away, with no download, no installer, and no setup process beyond signing in. This is a great choice if you want something fast, simple, and accessible from most modern web browsers. Now let's move on to SketchUp Pro 2026, which is the desktop version. This version is for users who want the full installed application on Windows or Mac. Before you download it, make sure your computer meets the system requirements. For Windows, SketchUp Pro 2026 is compatible with Windows 11, 64-bit. For Mac users, it works with Mac OS 12 Monterey or newer. If your computer meets those requirements, you're ready to continue. On Windows, the first step is to visit the SketchUp Downloads page. From there, download the SketchUp Pro 2026 installer file, which should be named something like SketchUp Pro 2026-x64.exe. After the download completes, locate the installer file on your computer. For the smoothest installation, right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. This helps make sure the setup has the permissions it needs to install correctly. Next, the setup wizard will open. Follow the prompts and choose your preferred language and destination folder. If you're not sure where to install it, you can usually keep the default folder. Then click Install and let the setup complete. Depending on your computer, this may take a few minutes. Once it finishes, you can launch SketchUp from your desktop or Start menu. When SketchUp opens for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in with your Trimble ID. This is how SketchUp activates your Pro subscription. If you're new and just want to try it first, you may also be able to start a 7-day free trial, depending on the license options available at the time. After signing in, your desktop version of SketchUp will be ready to use. And that's it. Whether you chose SketchUp Free in the browser or installed SketchUp Pro 2026 on your desktop, you now know how to get SketchUp up and running. The web version is best for quick access and simple modeling, while the desktop version is better for full professional use. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.